Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty.
Emily, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good. You have a lot of hair.
Yes.
Emily, tell me a little bit about kind of what you're thinking with the color.
Just going a little lighter, but being able to still feel like it's a natural color and still feeling like me, but with
like
just
you're not like
some more.
You don't want to feel like you're wearing a wig.
Yeah.
Like I want to bring out like those natural tones that you have. So I do want to keep it low maintenance, and I do want to keep you a brunette.
Yes.
But I kind of want to give you a brunette with like some accessories.
Yes,
you know what I mean?
perfect.
Like little blonde accessories.
Yes. Yes, that's exactly what I'm looking for.
That's goals right there. Love it. Okay, so I feel like the way to start off with anybody's hair that is the amount that you have is like to take sections and not get overwhelmed. And so that's exactly what I'm gonna do, is really just kind of like take my time with it. Now it's time to mix up Emily's color, and I think I'm gonna start off with Light Master Pre-Bonded because it's gonna be the most gentle, and I think the pre-bonded is really gonna help keep the integrity of her hair nice and healthy. So I'm gonna mix this up. And then I'm gonna choose to do 20 volume. So the reason why you want to mix it nice and gently is because you don't want it to expand. Okay, so we're just gonna do about 3 foils around your hairline, your face frame, and then I'm gonna connect them, and then that's it. We're not gonna overfoil, we're not gonna make things too crazy. Yeah. We're not trying to make you a blonde, we're just trying to enhance. But I feel like we need that right to the root so that we can give you a beautiful smudge. So again, we can look like we don't know where to start, you know? Yes. That's the trick. Not actually having a starting point with the highlights is like the trick to the easy grow out. Because it's like you don't have that starting point and you're not like watching it every single time. It's like, you know, through the weeks you're like, oh, there's that line, there's that line, there's that line. Okay, so now it's time to mix up the toners, and I feel like I know what I want to do. First, for her all over, I think I'm going to use 8N for her hairline, 7NA for her crown and her nape area, and then I'm going to do the SPM all over with 10 volume for the gloss. Leave it alone. Move on. Diagonal back. Boop. So I'm doing the brush down, and then I'm gonna do the SPM. Okay, open it.
Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty.
You're not playing with me.